This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing blocking items. Sign out of the App Store and iCloud so the store can reevaluate payment options. Once done, check for unpaid balances or active subscriptions tied to your ID and settle or cancel them. This is why Apple forces verification. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and your Apple ID credentials. That prep prevents the verification loop and allows the App Store to offer the none payment option when you proceed to download a free app. Now force the store to let you choose none. Open the App Store and try to download a free app. When prompted to sign in, select Create New Apple ID or Edit Payment Information. Choose the none payment method. Apple shows it only after you satisfy prerequisites. If none is missing, make sure your country/region matches your billing address or remove a family sharing family organizer payment method, then retry. These steps make the store stop asking for verification tied to a payment method. Finish by signing back into iCloud and the App Store, then download a free app to confirm the verification prompt is gone. If the App Store still demands verification, recheck subscriptions, unpaid balance, and whether family sharing has an organizer payment method blocking none. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily change your Apple ID country or region to one that supports none, update settings, choose none, then revert region. This often re-enables the option without adding a card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.